I never see anybody, never find anyone like you. What the I am the puppy be blacksmith, or you be blacksmith, cause you the sharp in my doctor.
Guys, yeah, I love it. Like, the wig is bomb. Definitely giving summer vibes, and I'm loving it. Definitely summer must-have wig. So hey royals, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 4x4 closure unit that I got from Ishow hair. It came in this cute little black pouch right here. This is their Brazilian loose body wave wig in the density of 150, and this length is in 24 inches. So this is going to be a quick install because it is a closure wig. So if you are interested to see how I installed and finessed my baby hair, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section or down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Ishow hair. It came in this cute little pouch right here. Inside of the package, it came with their 24-inch loose wave hair and their thank you card, along with a pair of stocking cap. So a bit about the cap construction of this wig. The hair came pre-plucked. Inside of the wig, it has 2 combs on each side. It has 1 comb to the back, and it also came with adjustable straps, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. And this color is in 1B with 150% density, but I went in to dye the hair black. So let's jump right into the installation process of this closure wig. So you guys, the wig that I'm going to be installing today is from Ishow hair. It came in this cute little pouch right here. This is the wig. I went ahead to bleach the knots. So I went ahead. So this is how my hair looks. I just applied a stocking cap. So I went ahead to dye the hair black. So this is how it looks. The wig is really soft. I washed it, dyed it, bleached it. I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour palette as I normally do to put into the knot of this wig. So I'm going in with my wax stick. So I'm definitely going to be wearing it on this side. So I'm just going to cut off the lace that is by the ear area before I actually start to lay my wig. So it's definitely going to be a quick install, and I'm just going to lay it on this side right here. So I'm going to be using my bolt hold glue to lay this wig. I'm going in with my free spray just to set to the front portion. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just like part out how I want the hair to lay. And for instance, if any concealer is showing, what I normally do to clean it up, I'm going in with my Murray's beeswax. I'm gonna go over it with my hot comb. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and start to cut off the lace. And now, if anything is lifting, I'm gonna go back in with my glue and perfect those. So I'm just gonna pin this part away. And to further melt everything, I'm going in with my freeze spray just to further melt it into my scalp. Okay, so I have my parting space where I need it to be. I'm going back in with my hot comb. And when I have everything done, I'm gonna just tie it down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dap my hair with some water, and then I'm going in with my Lotta body foaming mousse. Mainly I'm gonna be focusing on the end because with curly wigs the end seems to tangle faster. So let me see how everything is there. To cover the piece of weft that is hair, I'm going to just create some baby hairs from this angle right here. And I'm going to be taking my got to be, and I'm just going to swoop that. And to define the parting space a little bit more, I'm going to be using my powder per usual and put it into the parting area of the wig. And to finish up, I'm gonna end with my Got To Be Black face spray. So you guys, this is the end result of my install. Definitely giving summer vibe and I'm loving it. Let me just comb this forward so it can look like this. The wig is bomb. And this is how long the wig is. So you guys, this wig is from Ishow hair and it came in this cute little pouch right here. It came with this wig. This is their 24-inch loose wave wig and it's a closure wig and it retails for $195.84 on their page. I'll leave all the information for this wig in my description bar down below, so if you are interested in purchasing this unit, all the information will be listed. And I just did a side part. I wanted a deep side part. I wasn't going for like a middle part as people normally do when they do closures, so I just wanted it like this, and the look is giving, and it's giving summer vacation vibes, especially with this dress, you guys. You know, it's summer and you need to find affordable hair to rock, and this wig is actually affordable. It's $195.84. It's below $200. You can't go wrong with that. It's giving summer vibes, like this dress, like everything about this look is summer. Like, and you guys, this wig is definitely one to have. Definitely summer must-have wig. I love it. I love everything about it. So thank you again so much for watching this video, and see you in my next one. And until then, always remember to put God first in everything that you do. See you in my next video, and God bless.